you can get, and it's a way for teams to come and do post-it activities with each other. I have a group of about 14 people in here right now. You can see them down here. You can see them all working over here in the right-hand side. People and the post-its on the boards that they're putting up. And as you can see, this one's obviously my model group here. They're creating post-its, coding them, they're moving them around. They're each in a breakout room right now through Zoom, so they're to each other as they're doing it. And this is just a really easy activity that they're each engaged in. And then we're going to come back as a larger group and discuss and draw some conclusions. But I just needed to share this because I'm officially sold on Stormboard. I'll include the link, but it's www.stormboard.com. Check it out. Enjoy.